iPhone users, even the best tech can have a hiccup now and then. Some of you might have noticed your camera icon went missing after updating to iOS 18. Don't stress. Here are quick fixes to get it back. Part 1. Why has my camera disappeared from iPhone? Outdated iOS. Software bugs might be the culprit if you haven't updated. Temporary glitches. Apps can disappear due to minor system issues. Try restarting your iPhone. Restricted settings. The camera app might be hidden if restrictions are enabled. Part 2. Common fixes for iPhone camera icon missing issue. Fix 1. Search camera app on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and swipe right to access the search bar at the top. Type camera into the search box. When the camera app appears in the search results, tap it to open your camera. Fix 2. Reset home screen layout. Open settings. Go to General. Tap Reset and select Reset home screen layout. Confirm by tapping Reset home screen. Fix 3. Remove camera restrictions. Open the Settings app and go to General. Tap Restrictions. You may need to enter your passcode. Find camera in the list and toggle it back on. Fix 4. Restart iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Then wait about 30 seconds. To turn it back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Part 3. Ultimate solution for camera app missing on iPhone. If the first 4 methods fail, try fixing iOS with iOS system recovery. To keep your data and settings, follow these steps. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer for free. Launch the software and select iOS System Recovery from the user interface. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable, and when prompted, click Trust on your device. Step 2. Click the Start button on the next screen to proceed. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode. Review the basic information of your iPhone, and then click Optimize. Step 4. Verify that the information about your iPhone is correct within the software. If it's incorrect, make necessary adjustments. The software will display compatible iOS versions for your device. Select the appropriate one and click Next to begin downloading the firmware for your iPhone.